Hi, this is Classic Techart and welcome to another video. As you can see to my computer screen, this is a fantastic uh, our logo design. So this is very modern and very specified logo design. So it is called the letter logo design. So this is a typography. So Lamara talk, let's begin today. So first of all, I need to know click on things and a little bit smaller and keep to the counter side. This I'm gonna keeping here. What do we need to do? I just need to go over here. You see, dashboard. I need it here. If you press over here, you can see so many tools. But I need just rectangle tool. So I need to now just drag over here and see. I think first of all I need to stop this fill color, but I need this stroke color. I just need it a little bit bigger. Yeah, I think it's better. Okay, so now go to the over here. I just direct selection over here. First of all, select and go to the direct selection. I select this corner by pressing Shift key and this corner, and I am just keeping like that. Okay, so it's good. And what we need to do again, I need to go to the over here, this rectangle tool. No, not rectangle tool, but I need to again select this thing and go to the object and adjust to path, and I just offset path, looking this preview select, and I think it's automatic done. I think it's good, better. So okay. So what we need to do, I just go to the over here again, rectangle tool, and it just I'm keeping like that exactly same to same. It will work better, I think, like that. Oh shit! I need fill color, but I need this close to channel close, and I need it just to okay. This okay, I think. Okay, so I need to copy this one by pressing Alt key, and it just to like that. And it's okay. I think okay, that's fine, no problem. Just a little bit upper side, I think it's better. A little bit. So I need to just copy both of these and put over here. A little bit here. I think okay, this okay. And sorry, I needed just to put up here. I think it's done good. Okay. So what we need to do now, right now, I just to put a little bit upper side, I think. Okay, select together and a little bit upper side. Yes. Now select this both of this and I just put it over here. I think this is better. And what we need to do, just so we need select all the things, not select, but I think select one thing, and I just copy one, and it just turn exactly like that. And I needed to keep this middle side and select all the things over here and go to the object and just expand all the things and I go okay. And right now I need to now go to the shape builder tool and I need it now by pressing cut and necessary things all over like that. Okay, just cut all the things. Oh my god, how weapon is this? No cutting all the things. Okay, cut all the things. Cut. Okay, I cut the things. Really, really better cutting all the things. So again over here, cut these things. Unnecessary things should be cut and delete all the things. And I think I needed to delete this one. And right now, just I need a little bit over here just to check the color pattern if it is better. I think I should black. Okay, so a little bit bigger. Number problem is see, not a cut good. So right here I cut. Okay, you see, this is a fantastic design. Same difference between this one. So this is exactly what I wanted to delete the previous, and I keeping this down. So this is good job and very easy. Thanks for watching.